The Ministry of Science and Technology said on Tuesday that China has approved 3 COVID-19 vaccine candidates for clinical trials. China has laid a solid foundation for research into inactivated vaccines over recent years. Inactivated vaccines have been widely used to fight hepatitis A, influenza, hand, foot and mouth disease and poliomyelitis. The Director General of Science and Technology for Social Development told that the first vaccine, an adenovirus vector vaccine, was made by the research team under the supervision of Chen Wei. It was the first to be approved to enter clinical trials. The first phase of the clinical trial was completed at the end of March, and the second phase started on April 12. It is the first COVID-19 vaccine in the world that has entered the second phase of clinical trials, according to the World Health Organization. Accompanied by his daughter, Zhang Zhengxing, an 84-year-old man in Wuhan, was vaccinated on April 13, becoming the oldest volunteer in the second phase of the clinical trial. In comparison to the first one, the second phase has removed the age ceiling to enroll volunteers over 60. Taking the modified defective adenovirus as the vector, the vaccine carries the gene of the coronavirus spike protein, the major surface protein used by the virus to bind to a receptor to invade cells, so that the subject's body will produce the immunological memory of the protein. When the real coronavirus attacks, the body will identify its spike protein and stop its invasion. The 108 volunteers who completed the first phase of the clinical trial on March 27 have entered centralized medical observation and are in good condition. The second phase will recruit 500 volunteers and introduce the placebo control group to further evaluate the immunogenicity and safety of the vaccine. As of 5 p.m. on April 13, 273 volunteers had been vaccinated. Using killed pathogenic microorganisms to enhance the immunogenicity, inactivated vaccines have advantages of the mature production process, controllable quality standards, and wide protection range.